Hi, I'm Brad Malcolm with Grande Prairie Volkswagen. Today I have pulled up for you the 2024 redesigned Atlas 7-passenger, Volkswagen's largest vehicle in their lineup. I'm going to go over some quick highlights with you. Some of the most significant changes for the 2024 Atlas is your stacked adaptive front lighting with your end-to-end light bar, as well as the illuminated front logo. One of my favorite features is the 6 sensors on the front that help you park, make sure you're not running over your kids' bikes, and keeping everybody all around safe. Underneath the hood, Volkswagen's put a 2-liter turbocharged gas engine mated to an 8-speed transmission. One of the best things about that, lots of people take their kids to hockey games in this part of the world. You gotta drive to Edmonton, Sherwood Park, all over the place. It gets 9 liters per 100 kilometers, which means you can go well over 700 kilometers just on a tank of fuel. For the 2024 Atlas, Volkswagen introduced what they like to call the Wonder Bar, which is your end-to-end LED light strip on the rear with your illuminated rear logo. And then it's also standard with 5,000 pound towing capacity and your 7-pin hitch. So you don't have to pay extra for your towing package. As well, again, one of my favorite things is the rear sensors, making sure that you're not going to run over your kids' bikes. The Atlas is one of the largest vehicles in its class. As you can tell, there's tons of room here behind the 2 rear seats. And then if you need a little bit of extra room, you have your 50-50 splitting rear seats, as well as your seats in the middle fold down as well. So whether that's a family packed trip down to Calgary or a run to Costco, we've got you covered. One of the best things about the Atlas, again, is the interior space. I'm personally 6'2". I have the driver's seat set up comfortably for myself. As you can see, there's tons of leg room in here. In addition to, it's super easy to get to the rear. You don't need those captain seats. You just tip the seat forward, lots of room to get in. And even better, lots of room to get out. I personally have 4 kids and I drive an Atlas, and even my 7-year-old can do this. Along with the redesign, there's some fantastic changes they made on the interior. Your diamond stitching seats with the heated and cooled function, as well as a heated steering wheel. One of my favorite things is the ambient lighting with 30 different colors, as well as some nice details, again, with the Peak Edition logo shining through. The other things that they've added is the IQ Drive, which is a full suite of safety features to help keep you and your family safe on the road. Chances are, if you're driving an Atlas, you're like myself. You have a handful of kids in the back trying to get your attention. Again, Volkswagen has your IQ Drive, which includes your adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, lane change system, as well as front assist autonomous emergency braking, keeping you safe on the road, especially for those road trips or taking your kids to and from sports. Thanks for joining me with some quick highlights of the 2024 Atlas. We have a fantastic team ready and waiting for you at Grande Prairie Volkswagen to go a little bit more in depth with you. We look forward to meeting you.